Police officers have been arrested in Cape Town for alleged corruption. This is the result of months of investigations by the Western Cape Anti-Corruption Unit. 2 sergeants and 4 constables between the ages of 31 and 42 are accused of corrupt activities linked to the poaching of abalone. Now, our reporter, senior reporter that is, Ayesha Ismail, is covering this story for us, and she joins us now live from our Cape Town offices. Ayesha, any more details on how police were able to actually nab these people and how long this investigation took?
So, Masejo, what happened was that the 6 police officers attached to the Maitland flying squad, they had been investigated and followed for months, and I'm told about 6 months they were under investigation. And on Tuesday, the 6 police officers, and one being a female, were arrested, and they made their court appearance this morning. 4 of the police officers appeared in the Cape Town Magistrates Court, while 2 appeared in the Strand Magistrates Court. And they being charged, amongst other things, with corruption relating to the fact that they would confiscate abalone, but they would not make any arrests, and they would also not hand in the abalone as exhibits. There's also a charge of defeating the ends of justice, as well as an alternative charge of theft. And then, of course, there's also a charge of being in possession of drugs. Now, the allegation is that some of these police officers were actually escorting criminals with the police vehicle while they were in possession of drugs. This, of course, has now led to the arrest of these 6 people. We also heard in court today that more arrests could be made and that additional charges could be added to the charge sheet. The men and women that appeared, Masejo, the men and the one woman who appeared today were not granted bail. Their next court appearance will be on the 6th of April, where a bail application will be heard, and the state indicated today that they will be opposing bail.
And Ayesha, it's been quite a problematic issue, this poaching of abalone in the city of Cape Town, hasn't it?
Yes, Masejo, actually in the Western Cape, and we've seen a number of cases being brought even to the High Court, and lengthy sentences being meted out to those being found guilty of dealing in abalone. And coming back to the arrests of these 6 police officers, there are also other cases in Cape Town before the courts at the moment where police officers have been arrested in kidnapping cases as well. And then, of course, we had that case in the Cape High Court where Judge Daniel Tulare talked extensively about the corrupt relationship that police officers are having with gangsters. And now we have these 6 police officers being arrested in connection with being in contact with people who are on the wrong side of the law, people who were dealing in drugs, and of course, as I said earlier, confiscating abalone, not making any arrests, and also not handing in the abalone that they confiscated as exhibits.
All right, senior reporter Ayesha Ismail live for us there in our Cape Town offices. Thank you. Let's leave it there for now.